Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out my last of my 3-month subscription for BeautyFIX. So I did get just a 3-month subscription to BeautyFIX to try it out again to see if I liked it still or wanted to keep getting it. I haven't yet decided whether I'm going to resubscribe or just let this be it, but this is my last one for now. We'll see. But this is I actually should have gotten one in December. My last review for this was in November, I think. But something happened and I did not get my December box. I called them and they said I was still in line. I somehow went in when I was ending my 3-month subscription to make sure it didn't renew. I stopped my December box. I suspended a box or something. Their cancellation is kind of a pain in the butt, just saying. But I ended up suspending December. And when I called them, it was already so late in the month. I was like, you know what? Just let January be the last box and we'll just skip December altogether. So this is the January box. And this subscription is $29 and change a month. So around $30 a month. You can get it cheaper depending on how many months you get at a time, or if you prepay or you pay once a month, however you want to do it. There's different costs for each tier, if you want to call it that. But this is a quick sneak peek. I kind of already gave you one, but officially. And with this box, you do get, you're not guaranteed any full-size products, but you do get full-size products. I think the value just is a minimum of $100 per box, a minimum of $100 value for your purchase. So you're going to get a mix of full-size products and travel sizes, not usually like dinky little foil ones, but usually good quality stuff. So I can already see 2 full-size products. I don't know about the rest of them just from glancing, but we'll start with this box. We have a BeautyStat product, and this is Universal Triple Action Daily Peel, powered by chemistry. So I do not know if this counts as a full-size product or not. Let's see what it looks like. I don't even know. So as we go through this, I will put here in the corner what the values are. If they're deluxe sample sizes, we'll at least go and look and see what the cost is of the full size per ounce. So this is a box of little pouches. So I'm going to guess this is a full size. So there are 10 foil pouches in here, 10 treatments. So I don't know. Well, yeah, I don't know if this is full size or this is just a trial size, because a trial size typically would be 7 or 10 uses. But we'll find out. But we got 10 uses of this BeautyStat peel. Probably this is a full size. That would be cool. We'll find out how much it's worth. Our next one I know is a deluxe travel size. This is from Christophe Robin. And this is a Cream de Nuit, night recovery cream. They have the information both in English and French. And this is a 20 ml size. So this is almost an ounce. We'll look and see what the full size is by size and by value, what we got for this. But that is actually a really good one for almost an ounce of product for just a night cream. This one, I do not think is full size. We got a tiny Verso. This is a hydration serum with niacinamide, and this is the Verso 4. This is a 10 ml, so we got 1/3 of an ounce. This is a good little trial size just to give it a shot and see if you like it. But this is our Verso. Sorry, I'm trying to reduce the glare by turning it, but that's not really helping. Verso hydration serum, and this again is a 10 ml size, so that's very cool. 2 more products that I know are full size. We have a Babur Ampule set, and this is the Nutri-Restore Ampule Serum Concentrate, instantly nourished, healthy-looking skin within 7 days. And these come really interesting. They are ampules. You get little ampules of the product. So you open each one and use the product. I don't know I've honestly never used these, and I've gotten these twice. I have 2 boxes of these that I should probably try one of different kinds. But that is so much product in one little tubey. I can't imagine that being just one treatment. But then when you open the ampule, I don't know how you'd save it. So maybe you are intended just to use a ton of stuff, and that's how it works. You just use a lot of product. It's possible. But there are 7 times 2 mils. So there's 2 mils in each of those little tubies. And these are usually in the $40 to $50 price range. So just this one product is covering the cost of the box and then some. But last but not least, we have Grown Alchemist, and this is going to be a restorative hand cream. So I've told you guys before, in the winter, my hands just look like garbage. I get dry, crepey, cracky. That's actually doing pretty good today. I'm not sure. I've been putting cream on them night and day and sleeping with hand masks, so it's probably the only reason. But I just have terrible dry knuckles in the winter. But this is a restorative hand cream from Grown Alchemist, so it's probably really good and probably not super cheap because it's Grown Alchemist. And it comes in a cute little black tubey. So that is really nice. So this will be a full size, and this is a 65 milliliters. So this is 2.1 ounces. So we got a full size of the Grown Alchemist, which is great. So again, in this box, you don't get to pick anything, but you get good stuff. So it's always high quality. This is put out by Dermstore. So Dermstore has a lot of really good quality products, and then they put out this box that gives you the ability to try different ones for a really good price. But the great thing is, any of these you really like, you can go back in, rebuy them, sometimes at a discount, sometimes at the regular price. But if you want them, you can get them directly from Dermstore, which is why they give you the little box, or you can buy the little box. So that was a fun little BeautyFIX box. The last one, maybe. We'll see. If you did like this video, I'd love for you to hit like, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit notifications if you don't want to miss out on future uploads. But for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.